I was referred to elder law by my accountant when I expressed to her that I may be broke in 5 years because my wife had entered a nursing home, and she'd been in a nursing home about 18 months, and it consumed over $100,000 that was in an IRA in her name. And I brought her home, and it was evident it wasn't going to work. So I put her back in a nursing home, and that's when I visited with the accountant and said, at this rate, I'll be broke in 5 years and have to work the rest of my life. She said, you need to go see these people at that time, pretty much across the street from where she was. And so I made an appointment to come to see elder law, Tim Takacs. And that was a very worthwhile trip. We had a little meeting. He had a chalkboard on the wall, and he drew a line down the middle, and he divided up the wealth in the family. And the state looks at the house as being mine when one of the two in the household ends up in a nursing home. One vehicle, mine. I had a motorcycle, ours. And I had about 6 IRAs in my name, my side of the board. So I thought, wow. When it all added up, and what amounts to is the wife ends up on Medicaid after we consumed about $7,000 more out of the bank account. That was considered her money. And from that point on, Medicaid kicked in and took care of whatever was allowable beyond her wealth, which was her Social Security income that went to the nursing home, all except I think $200 a month of that remained in the bank account for expenditures for what her needs might be. And so after 30 minutes meeting with elder law, I walked out of there very comfortable, very willing to pay whatever their fee was, and maintain them, and I have continued to maintain them. My wife lived 8 years in a nursing home environment, passed away 4 years ago. I still maintain a relationship with elder law. Not that I have a need for it, I'm just not sure. The fee is less, but I am very pleased with the fact that I went to them to start with, because I probably would have spent all my money in 5 years, not knowing that it didn't have to work that way. It was a very worthwhile trip.